Good morning, all.
Good morning, madam.
Did you not get the message that you're supposed to come to this interview wearing white? This job entails cleanliness, hence the choice of color. Did you not read this? Dress code white.
Hello. Hey.
Okay, thank you all for coming. I will not waste your time. Let's start from here. Tell us your name and your work experience.
Inze bananga. Excuse, madam.
Yes?
If not ready, it's me talk.
Go ahead.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. Everyone. So, my name is Awinja Nyamwalo Amafwetiri, and me is 18 years old and above. Work experience number 1. Madam, me is work for Musungu. You is no Musungu? Yeah, najua mjai kuona Musungu, mnawaonanga tu kwa TV. Oh, that Musungu, madam, is good man. He pay me good money. But me, I kick a bucket for that job. Me is resign. You ask why?
I'm the one asking questions here.
I'm the one telling the story here, madam.
Okay, why?
In that Musungu house, no ugali. Imagine every day is eat pizza. Kila siku tunakula kahawa na hii kitu ya kuteka panya. What is called? Hii kitu ya kutekea panya. Nya mwezi cho. Cheese, madam. So me is leave that job. I tell that Musungu, "Tusis is penny real." The way you is see me is on demand. Niko na evidence kwa karatasi. Oh, please, Awinja, come back to work. Me is pay you 100,000 every month. Just imagine. But me is refuse. You know why, madam? Me, I know my worth. No ugali, no work.
Wow. It's the confidence for me. So, what makes your work stand out?
Madam, it's because I use Ariel detergent. And they don't. You is say dress code white, not white with a touch of stains. Angalia, madam. Shika. Hii ni Ariel detergent. Itakusaidia kuondoa hizi matowatoa sote na kuitumia ni rahisi, madam. Chukua karaya yako iko na maji, weka mo Ariel. Ukifanya pogo. Soko nguo yako. Ukisha soko, kama uko na muda unaweza kuiwacha usiku mzima. Itatoa hizi stains sote na utakaa mtu wa kupendeza kama mimi. Na unajua madam, me is tell people that Ariel detergent inafanya house managers wanakuwa na soft life. You ask why? Kwa sababu it is gentle on ants na pia inatoa uchafu haraka, kumaanisha hautashinda hapo ume.
Madam Awinja, you look like someone who is very self-aware. From the way you talk, from the way you carry yourself, Madam Awinja, you are hired.
Huh?
You get a job.
No, madam, stop.
The rest of you, I'll give you a second chance. But after you have gone through a training concerning cleanliness with Awinja.
Madam, what did I deserve to do this? Yeah, vile mumesikia, madam. Who is the boss now? Haya, amutasema. Who is the boss now?
Madam Awinja.
I thought so.